Hi everyone, this is Robert Mack with Public Loss Adjusters. We are your insurance company advocate. That means we work for you, the policyholder, and not the insurance company. Our job is to get you the maximum amount of money out of every claim that you have. Now today I'm here to talk to you about Hurricane Irma. This happened on September the 10th in the year 2017. If you were damaged by Hurricane Irma, you have up until September 10th of this year to be able to file a claim. If you filed a claim and you didn't quite get enough back to take care of the repairs that you needed, then we can reopen that claim and we can still get you some more funds for that. So if you haven't filed, we can file for you. If you have filed and didn't get enough, we can reopen it. If you have any questions about this, you can give me a call at 352-353-4556 or email info@placlaim.com. This is Robert Mack. Have a great day.